Hello everyone. Okay, so welcome to the vlog. This vlog is starting at... Hi guys, so this vlog is starting in the night, and look, I'm gonna wash my ear. Oh gosh, mom, not stick up around there. And I got this from a company, what, a year ago or so. I got two. This is the last one that's left, and I'm just going to put this on my edges, and then I'm going to put on a wrap. My hair is thin, so as I say, I'm starting my hair journey. So I'll be doing a lot of research, but just to talk to you guys for a little bit. I've been really drained mentally. Ooh, the classes are coming up. Oh, and I should mention POMI. I'm going to mention POMI now. The POMI lyric, the brushes, the Nehemiah collection brushes, and the PVC brush cylinder, and the lashes, they are on pre-sale. As I said before, I feel funny telling you guys, but this is what I do. So everything is ready, the brushes are ready, everything is ready. I just need to get the balance of the money so that I can pay out so the brushes can be shipped. Again, the brushes will not be here in Jamaica. They'll be shipped overseas. I have to change the address, but they'll be shipped overseas and they'll be shipped from the US. So having them shipped from the US, when them shipped to the US, it gets there within days rather than me waiting 3 weeks for it to come to Jamaica. That way we can ship them quicker, and that is what I want to do. I want to get them out to you. So for those who have pre-sealed, that's the expectation. I'm working as hell, which is why I'm promoting POMIFITNESS, or I'm promoting POMI, because I need to get those sales in so that I can fund POMI by Lyric. But yeah, I'm gonna just put on some for my head. I'm gonna put my ear. Honestly, let me just make it just stay, and then make it air dry, and then put on some if I feel like. So yeah. You like it? Well, look, we can make this, we can bring this out on top of this one, and then make it be a bed. That's what I was using it as. But I can just take up the cushions.
This is like a crown place?
No, that's where, remember, where we would normally sit down over in the corner. Oh, like a throne, like you're the king. Okay. I'm got a little chair over here, so yes. You like, so I'll switch it around. I'm really glad you like it. So over there, so we'll have access to the charger plug over there. So thank you so much, Jenny. Yeah. Pull it? Sure. Wait, don't tell me, Mama.
There's a target. So we can like practice shoot off us, and then I can maybe shoot off it with my eyes closed.
That means I bought an attorney. You can shoot it in your eyes
There's
closed.
a bag like a network. There's a type of network. So if I just take
I want to buy those beds for you. You see the car bed? What do you think about that? It look cool? I was thinking about that for long time.
like a
No, I like when the clothes have style and flair.
I like this baby. And then you like when
that looks cool. That looks cool. That looks cool. It's a color. It's a color. The blue color no looks so good.
when I'm in jump.
Nice.
And this is what happened, like a dragon command.
That's cool, Papa. I didn't really know.
Look up here. Look at all of these good babies.
Yeah.
So good. And if I tap up,
I'm gonna move the fan. Ease up, Jolly. Ease up, Jolly.
I had to choose my
I'm gonna get to help me, Jolly. I love you. I love you.
And Mom, you know the good thing about this is that them things are first drop down to
Really?
$3 diamond.
3 diamond for so how much for 1 diamond? How much you have to spend for get diamond, or them awarded the diamond if you win something?
Spend for that diamond, but look here. I look for the and for 5 spin 15 diamonds.
Blow scope.
And Mom,
Alright, so
the
that's
second one, the man take it. That's
right now. So I'm thinking I will have a week of tutorials and a week of vlogs. So I'm not sure how that will work because I've been home mostly, so I've just been filming tutorials. Plus I've been very inspired with just creating new stuff. I feel like creating because I have not been doing makeup for so long. Every time I start doing makeup and start back, I recognize my passion. So I'm just going to say that I made the makeup tutorials for one full week and then vlogs for another full week. The only reason why is because it's just how my time is set up. So if I'm not going anywhere, and if I'm not going anywhere, there's hardly anything for me to vlog. So I figure I'll just do tutorials. So if I'm home, tutorials. If I'm on the road, I'll vlog it. So that's like how I do it. Or it just may be a mashup. It just may be a mashup. Sometimes I'm a little bit hesitant to put so much structure to things because anything can happen. And if anything happens, it's going to throw me off. So I don't like to put structure. But I like to plan. It's so weird. I don't know how to explain that. I like to plan. I don't like structure. I love spontaneity. I work really well on my feet. If it's too organized, it throws me off because I'm like, but what if this happens? Do you have like a plan B, C, D? You know, so yeah.
Mama, team score.
The team score who's for you?
I'm just about to have to kill the team. Marky, what?
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go. Go, John. Oh, close. So close. But a 2 for 1. But I'm ready. 2 for 1. I'm ready.
I Mommy, I just saw an actress.
No tongue. No hat trick.
Boy, I'll share something for me. Crying man. He won't see the mommy. The boy won't share to the mouth.
I'll lie.
You see my teammate to my team.
Kill him back. Guys, it's the morning now. The next day. And yeah, I have the boys. So hopefully I can vlog it today, or at least vlog today. I'm not get to go on the road till after the end of the night. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm wearing my mask. I'm wearing honey and turmeric activity turmeric. You know the turmeric. Excuse me, turmeric powder. Like I have the charcoal powder, I have the turmeric powder. Sorry. So I have that on my face. I'm wake up this morning. I scrub my face. With St. Ives. And then I'm gonna do scrub. I like scrub my face first. I like scrub my face first. I feel like it removes all the dead skin and everything, and it kind of irritates the skin a little bit. So when the turmeric and honey grows on it, it kind of soaks into the skin a little bit more. That's just how my mind works. But yeah, so yeah. In the tractor?
Yes, I done him. I didn't make him feel sick.
I'm going to kick him.
No, sick.
Kick?
No, kick.
Kick?
No, sick.
Stick?
No, sick.
Sick?
No.
What you say a while ago? Tell me what you say a while ago. Say it again.
I'm going to feel sick.
Oh, you're going to feel sick.
For him.
Oh, him going to feel sick.
Yeah.
Why I'm going to feel sick?
I told him how to do the doctor.
Oh, because I'm going to the doctor.
Yes.
Jalil, why you do this? Jalil, but why do this in our life? Jalil.
I can't like that.
Do not. I hope I don't sound like a broken record or that I'm repeating myself, but I am. Thank you. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm genuinely grateful for you guys. And I'm responding to comments. Maybe that's why I'm so emotional now. But I'm responding to you guys who take time out on a day for watch my video then and comment and go like and go subscribe. No, the watch is fine. You never have to like, you never have to subscribe, and you never have to comment. I am grateful for each of you. Mumsy Wumsy, I am royalty, Daira, Kwani. I was just responding to somebody just now. What's her name? Natalie? Oh, when I respond to you guys, I can respond with the names. Because when I'm recalling memory, I can remember the names. Because I'm seeing the icons, but not the names. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So, for me, for last year was more of not last year, for the past couple of years, I've been on something more, almost a self-destructive. Because that's what it feels like sometimes. So that's what I'm told. What I'm doing sometimes, that I'm being self-destructive. But I've just been understanding me is me like when I keep my company the internet with no bazir and our mask on my face and my ear nothing because it's life. You cannot be so absent-minded from what is directly in front of you on a daily basis. It is life. When I started my challenge, that's the whole premise. I never ever no want to feel like say things easy and I push and go through. No, brother, I did a rant. I never call no name, but I do a dirty piece of rant. But God, hey, I'm telling you, oh, my blood cleanse, God stay. I did a video, one only my breast. Gosh, it's because I think about what I wore. I wore a bralette from Shop Kawaii Wear. I'm gonna be posting them, so y'all better get ready. So yeah, I have a lot of shit from Shop Kawaii. Yes, Jaleel. Mama. Yes, Jaleel, I'm coming. Yeah, so in the bralette, and I did that video on YouTube, and you're like, we can't monetize this bitch. This is limited because I said wait. You keep doing that. I said wait, Jal, wait. You cannot sit down here, Jali. Leave from innocent for come sit down. What you start told you to wait. Give me 5 minutes, please. Go back inside, please. I soon come. But because of what I was wearing, the video got limited. I was like, you know what, it was limited, I don't care, I need to get the truth out. And then I started feeling uncomfortable about it. Then looked up and him said, you can earn from it. So the limited was removed because I think I changed the thumbnail or something. So the limited was removed. So in that time I'm like, oh, I'm gonna delete it. I'm like, the Holy Spirit has been telling me to delete it from before. Now while I was making the video, I never feeling nothing. I edit it, put up everything. Never feel no, and then when it up I see the limited, I start feel like when I see the limited gone, I can earn from it, I still feel uncomfortable on my side. This is the Holy Spirit. I'm gonna just delete it. I'm gonna feel no way about it because at a day 7, today's the 3rd of January now, 4th of January now, I think that's today Wednesday. The first Wednesday of January is my 30th, and me still have my vlog now. This vlog you ever go up on must be the day where the rant is supposed to go up. Plus I have a makeup tutorial again that I do for you guys. The reason I've been doing so much tutorials is because I'm in a better place now with seeing mentally, because I am inspired to do these nice crazy looks, and I have the classes coming up, so I have to be digging into my arts and what else can I tell them, so of course we're proving here on YouTube the things that you'll be learning at my class is for you guys at my classes. And Jesus, yeah, just thank you. Just thank you guys are here with me for the process to recognize, and I have a Fix Your Appearances retreat coming up, and let me tell you, man, it's gonna be good. Here I am, how do you do? Yeah. Yeah, again. So I'm sitting guys up for my hair or my hair type or whatever, if it's a hair type, that it kind of sticks up when I comb it. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me see. Like it's sticking up like some little, hold on, like some little hair fuzz. I hope you guys can see. Like it's, yes, good, it's sticking up. So that's what happened. Come wash my ear, all you saw lift up, you see it's not as flush. So this is just some little baby hairs, something I play on because I don't know how to do baby hairs, so I've been practicing. So this is what I do with my wash my hair before, I'm gonna gel it down and it for flat. This is what I do. I comb it first, make it dry down, and then I comb it again before I do my makeup. So this is what I do. So I wait till this dry down. When this done dry down, then I go gel it back down again. Wow, it's the next day. I woke up, washed my face, and I'm finna film. Go ahead and put me on. See my true trail. I get ready with me. I like doing my hair on camera, so I'm going to do that again. And yeah, I'm not quite sure what color brows I'm going to do today, but we'll see. I got the idea to do like a orange, pink, and purple, but I need purple. So I try to see which other colors. But I like this, the yellow, orange, and purple. That, the yellow, the pink, the orange, that was superb. So I may do a rainbow brow with a dark smoky eye, like a black dark smoky eye. That's what I may do. We'll see.
Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting darker, terrible like loose leaves. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me, or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mine is disturbing. Now give me a heartbeat, bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I'm hurting your self-esteem. Easy to turn to me, that's what I wanna be. Dreamers in front of me, called up the game, and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. Have fun with my lyrics, call it wordplay. Thoughts stuck in the past, wish they were present like my birthday. Talk about my family, dog, you better watch what you say. What is it that you're not comprehending? Are you insane? Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. I rhyme with a purpose, your lyrics are hollow. Cause I'll be a leader, all you do is follow. I'm so far ahead of you, it is tomorrow. Here's something for ya, I'm the rhyme destroyer. Don't put out your hand cause I got nothing for ya. MCs and me spitting and get paranoia. I'm quick with the punches, call me De La Hoya. Quit being petty, I know it annoy you. Don't stop being mad cause I got it before ya. I work now, I'm boss with it like an employer. Don't test me, I'm killing these bars like a lawyer. I've been preparing, you rappers don't scare me. Don't do it for fame, no, my kindness or rarity. Music is therapy, burdens I'm carrying. Emotion is raw, got no problem sharing. Y'all rapping for likes and you quit and get clarity. Your record's embarrassing, you don't compare to me. Better be aware that you better be wearing me. Gift is a curse that I'm not even swearing. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. My name gon' be harder than a summer on the blacktop. Just give me a track and I'ma beat it like a bad cop. I ain't taking orders, man, so don't come drop through my spot. See that peak, well, I'ma reach it, like it or not. I admit in some of my songs, I was flexing. That don't make me fake, it just means that I'm impressive. Look so unassuming, guess I'm not what you expected. Did you forget me? Let me jog your recollection. Mine's obsessive, flows aggressive, switch direction. Keep you guessing who's up next in my ring. Stepping names, I'm checking off my checklist. Life is hectic, nights get restless. Learning lessons, rhyme perfecting. My objectives, I'm collecting. Guess who checked in? You guessed it. If you didn't guess, it's me. I'm coming for the crown. I'm here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown.
Destined for greatness, my name is written in stars. And I will give everything, all that I have to the cause. Fight against evil, run through the pain, battle it all, this is more than a game. I am a lion and I can't be tamed, it's how it was made. There's ice in my veins, run through it all. No matter the odds, I will answer the call. The enemy knocks on the door. Even the greatest among us will fall, but the greatest will get back up. So I won't back down and I won't give up, and I will act now and I will stand up. They know that I'm here for it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting, I'll rise through it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting, I'll rise through it all. Rise up. Rise up. Yeah. Walking through the shadows, I see the hangman as he stands at the gallows. The breath of the beast, the gnashing of teeth, but I won't retreat, I won't deplete, I will succeed, I got all that I need. I am prepared for this moment. I see my future and my destiny is calling. The battle is on, I will rise like the sun. I'll get it done. One day I'll look back and see that we won. I hear victory song. This is my victory song. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up. Rise up.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay? Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay? I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focusing winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10 men, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you wanted, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Double take or a second look, bruh. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Ain't no wonder why I got him shook.
Makes no difference to me, cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man. Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled. Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with the pen and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man.
I got the mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is around. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers is rapping this rack shit. I murder a cat on the track and they hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, hold up another platinum plaque, wearing a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail, you die off. I am the king, fuck everybody else, I'm on that be that. Return to the writer, scribble out of shit to the page, catch fire. Call me a liar, spark it in the dark and let it burn in. You can call me inspired, heart of a liar, and in the sense that my heart will jump out of my chest, eat you alive, beat you to death, tear it all apart, feast on the flesh and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been
switching my gear, yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year, ayy. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear, yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year, ayy. I've been this rough since a boom, I'll take the man to the tomb, yeah. Now they all ask what I'm doing, well, you see it soon, say that they know what to do, say I should listen to you, yeah. Y'all don't know what I've been doing, trust me, you don't got a clue. Take the top to my front door. Only fiends coming through the bag. Got my problems, I want more. Lead the past up in the past. The way I'm moving need a hard pass. All class with a book bag. In the night with that all black. Hang it up to no call back. Yeah, I got time and it's all on my mind, so I tell them I'ma let it out. Yeah, and I got guap, but you know I can't stop, so I tell them I'ma dead it now. Yeah, I got green and I gotta switch cheese, but I'm looking for the cheddar now. That shit was all bad, now I'm coming to get last, and this year's looking better now. Tell them I'm staying right here, tell them I'm switching my gear, yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started, tell them this year's my year, ayy. Tell them I'm staying right here, tell them I'm switching my gear, yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started, tell them this year's my year, ayy. Tell them that, 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 yeah. Tell them that, 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 ayy. How long was I gone for? Pop more than some popcorn. Gotta drive, can't stop for. All the talk, there's no time for it. Blowing up like Lampore. Crowd wanting that encore. Tom Ford is what I wore, and I made a day what I bought it for. Now the speaker so fluent, I'm at the block like I'm Ewan, yeah. They wanna keep me so stagnant. I make a hit, keep it moving, Up in the morning, I'm brewing, They going nowhere, I knew it, They tryna keep me from making it, I swear they looking so Judas, Feel like Messi with the goals. Will I make it? I don't know. Time is running out the back door. Pray to God to open doors. Couple bands for the shows. Hey.
Original, you know? Same to me, to the one there for convey for coming here and I know I shoot me at I know something like me. Wash my
Travel, yes. Thank you so much, Auntie.
You know, so go back now. Yeah, give me a cake. You know, some put a couple of jelly like a pick a cake. Do you see it? Jelly will pick a cake, my love. You pick already?
No, good. You just no.
Okay. Yes, good. Jelly, go on, pick out the black seed. So I'm going to call it enjoy again, Auntie. Thank you.
Alright.
They must have presses so them don't take me away.
I can't wait to start showing you guys what I'm doing because what I'm doing is what I can't see what I'm doing. So I'm posting images and stuff and content for Instagram, but you can't see that because it's my phone to do that, so I'm trying. Okay, so this is the makeup tutorial that I did today for you guys. I'm gonna reach home now, and I'm going to finish watching some movies, but I'm going to be removing my makeup right now. Is it me? And Jesus wept. Mighty God of Daniel. No blood cleanse. No blood cleanse. Nope. No good. Hope my vagina never showed a while ago. So, let's remove my makeup and do a little chit chat, shall we? For this vlog. And for this vlog, I introduced this footage of holding my hair today. I hope you guys like it. Oh, you can never see my bad. So I'm going to use some petroleum jelly. I'm going to get that on like this, and I'm going to rub it all over my face to take off my makeup. With my skincare routine that I am now doing, and I'm warming it up in my hands a little bit from my face. So my skincare routine right now is just getting my shit together. I know how to take care of my skin. I'm very well at learning and, you know, doing things myself. So I know what to do. So I'm just going to do it. And of course, take you guys along the journey. I have to do this all over because I have on a lot of makeup. Eyes. No, lips. clean my hands off first and then go in. Oh no, I'm out. I'm gonna get wipes. So weird. So you know that trick where you do the petroleum jelly and the toothpaste and it like does something to your skin? I don't know if that has any truth. I haven't done it. But I know petroleum jelly is good for moisturizing, especially in the winter. So I'm just going to be using petroleum jelly to remove my makeup because I wear heavy makeup. I'm still getting it off my hands, and after this then I go ahead and wash my face, but not with any scrubs whatsoever. No scrubs, just soap. And I use a honey, I think it's a honey and oatmeal soap from my friend. She has a skincare line. I'm not sure if she's still doing it. If she is, I'll let you guys know. If she is, I can have her information for you guys, so that you guys can purchase. But yeah, that's the one that I use. And then tomorrow I do my St. Ives with my my mask. My St. Ives, my honey and turmeric mask. So I do my honey and turmeric mask every other day. But like I have these like lesions on my face, well these pimples on my face now. The joys of filming on your phone, or you can choose your Snapchat filter to put in your video. I'm editing now, you guys, and this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. For POM, remember the sale is still going on. I'm gonna make it go on for as long as I want it go on for, or it goes sale for sale. Suppose I want it done in July. Suppose a year sale. Wow, it can't go for 365. Oh yeah, bad mind. So the filter move. Welcome to the end of the vlog.